Okay guys, so let's cover the hamstrings. Now the hamstrings obviously are on the back side of your upper thigh. With this muscle group, it's kind of challenging to get sufficient force into the foam roller, okay? So if you're struggling to find any tension when you do this, you can use other implements, okay? Like tennis balls to roll, and you can just sit on a box. You don't have to be on the ground for this one. Do whatever works best for you, but we're thinking about the same thing with our calves. We have that outer line, middle line, and then inside line, okay? Outer, inner. So I'm gonna rotate my leg as I roll up and down that hamstring, searching for spots of tension. When I find a spot of tension, same thing, I'm gonna stay on it, okay? Now let's move over to the glutes. I'm gonna do about 1 to 2 minutes on each leg with the hamstring, by the way, guys. Now, with the glutes, this is one of my favorites, and I'll show you why, okay? Start out just like this. Do both glutes at one time. Okay, like I said, I have an inner compartment to my foam roller. That's why you'll see these pop out, because I hold tennis balls inside of here. I'm gonna start rolling both my butt muscles. That's what your glutes are, okay? Now, if this is sufficient for you, then stay here. But if you wanna take it to another level, put one leg over, okay, right leg is up. I'm getting my right glute right now. Now, you'll find the meat, okay, of your butt muscle here, and you might find that one side is tighter than the other. If that's the case, then spend more time on that side. Just makes sense, right? You want to loosen that side up a little bit more. So here, once again, I'm just kind of finding those spots of tension. I'm not going all the way up to my lower back. I'm only going up to the top of my butt, okay? If I want to go over to my left glute, I cross my left leg over. And for me, this one's a lot tighter, so I'm gonna spend some more time over here. Very important to remember your breathing, guys. Good. So that's your glutes. Next, we're gonna do our quads.